Hey, what's going on? I'm pretty sure you're working just as much as I am because right now we're working on legs. Now, this exercise is the air squats, bodyweight squats. I mean, whatever name you got for it, it all means the same thing when it comes to the muscle, the glutes. So you see the knees are caved in. That's one mistake. And that could be because your inner thighs are tight. And what I mean by tight, I'm actually meaning weak. There's different meanings behind that word tight. So that is one. And of course, your butt is weak. Your glutes literally are weak. They're not strong enough. So what needs to be done is having your knees and your feet pointed out as you see. Go through the motion with the squats and try, if you can, to tense up around your butt as you come up. Of course, you could tense up at the bottom just to bring more emphasis to the glutes. But for right now, let's try this and see how things go. John Paul checking out.